Repeated addition and multiplication by learning ready. Right about now, you may be preparing to venture into the world of multiplication. While multiplication may seem quite scary to a newbie, it isn't as bad as you think. In fact, you may be surprised at just how easy it is. I'll show you how you can solve simple multiplication problems using repeated addition. In this problem, we are going to multiply the number 6 by the number 3. In other words, we're solving for 6 3 times. Think of it like someone giving you 6 apples 3 times. Now, we begin to solve by adding chunks. Our first chunk would be 6 plus 6. When we count it out, 6 plus 6 equals 12. But, we still have another chunk to solve. Since we still have a 6 left from our original problem, we have to bring it down to join with the 12. So we'll add 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 equals 18. We now have the answer to our original multiplication problem. 6 3 times equals 18. So 6 times 3 equals 18. Until next time, keep practicing.